Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. For this video, I'm going to be doing a Galen Leather unboxing and I'm super excited about this one. So I'm just gonna get right to it. So as you can see, I got 3 items here and I'm just gonna go from smallest to largest. First, let me just open up this little freebie bag that they always send out. Oh, this is new. Some Earl Grey tea. What's this? I've never seen this one before. A moist towelette. Nice. I love the packaging. This is definitely gonna go on my journal. And some Turkish coffee. This is really strong, but it tastes really good. So I'm gonna have this tomorrow morning. The evil eye as always. And I also love this little bag. It fits the Canon Ivy if you have that printer. So those are the freebies. Now let's get to the good stuff. So this is the 3-slot pen flap. So there's the inside. This feels very stiff, but usually leather softens up over time, so I'm not worried about that too much. Oh, it smells really good. It's the same leather as this. This is my 10-slot pen case, and you can kind of see that my pen case has patinaed over time. So this is brand new and this one's aged quite a bit. I've had this since November last year or December. So I got this because I'm doing One Book July right now and I've been using multiple pens on my notebook and I usually keep them in my pen roll, but it's getting a bit messy, so I got this one for my fountain pens that I have inked up at the moment. Let's just give this a shot. It doesn't seem like the TWSBI fits. Let me try the middle slot. So I think that's how it's supposed to work. You can put your pen clip on this little groove. My TWSBI was too large to fit, but it can fit the Nagasawa Pro Color and it can fit the Pilot Metropolitan. And it can fit the Kaweco, which I pushed in too far here, so I'm gonna have to work it. Alright, I've managed to take it out. But lesson learned, don't push it in too far because you're gonna struggle taking it out. Alright, so this is what the 3-slot pen flap looks like. Let's close it up. Oh, that looks really good. It looks super professional. I love it. And I do love their logo. And it's still pretty compact. So if you want to see again the patina of the brown Galen Leather, this is what it looks like over time. So yeah, that is my first item. And then here is my next one. Oh, what's this? Pen slot extender. Alright. Oh wow, this feels really nice. This is the zip case they have with the removable pen holder here in the Crazy Horse brown leather. Oh, I've never felt this kind of leather before. Okay, so let's give this a try. Let's put our TWSBI in. Okay, so the TWSBI definitely fits this one. Oh, that's so cute. This is nice. So you just slip that in, then you can put other things in here. Just as an example, let's stash these in here. Oh, this feels so soft. Wow, I didn't know what to expect with the Crazy Horse leather, but I'm really pleasantly surprised. I thought it would be too rustic for me, but I really like this. Let me see if I can... Okay, so I made this scratch. Okay, so you can rub it out. It's good. Ooh, it smells really good too. These little pull-ups here, they look more orange to me. So that's what you can expect. And then you can just lay this down if you like. Oh, that's so cute. So that is my second item. And then my last item, this is the one I'm super duper excited about. Ta-da! This is the Galen Leather 20-slot pen case in the Crazy Horse brown leather. So if you watched my fountain pen addict tag, you might remember that I said I was going to get the 20-slot pen case, and I realized that they already had it on their website when I made that video. So I decided to go ahead and jump on it, and I'm super duper excited. Let's open it up. There's some things in here. This is a postcard of some sort. Turkish bath slippers. How do you say this? Takunya. That's my guess. And again, it's in this crazy horse leather that I'm really intrigued about. It's so smooth. Very rustic feeling. It is a little bit out of my comfort zone, but it looks really nice. I'm not mad at it. So the reason I got the 20 slot pen case versus the 40 slot one is because I'm trying to control myself with my fountain pen expenses. But also, I wasn't a big fan of having the pen loops on this flap. I just didn't like the way it looked, but I really love the way the 20 slot pen case looked, so that's why I got this one. I've got my 10 slot pen case here, and this is where I store the pens that I'm not using at the moment. Alright, and then I'm gonna put in my currently inked pens too, just to see. So these are all of my pens. If you know your fountain pens, then you can tell which is which. So yeah, I've got plenty of room to grow here. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 more pens that I can acquire. I think that's plenty. I mean, there's no way I can use all of these pens at once, right? So I think 20 is a decent sized collection to have. Let me just go ahead and fill these slots with my other pens, just so we can see what it looks like when it's full. Alright, I'm 1 pen short, but that's okay. So this is what a full 20 slot pen case looks like. Almost full. Let's close it up. Oh, nice. It feels nice and compact, even when it's full. I like that. Feels more compact than my 10 slot pen case. Yeah, it's like slightly thinner, I would say. Very slightly. I don't know if you can see, this is just a smidge thicker than the 20 slot pen case, so that's interesting. Oh, I love this. This feels like what an A5 cover would be. Very, very close to an A5, so that's a good reference point for you if you're wondering how large this pen slot is, or pen case, sorry. I am already having this little slick spot here. I'm not sure where that came from. I did put on some raw shea butter on my hands before filming because my hands tend to get really dry and gross, so yeah. That will most likely fade over time, and if not, that's okay. I don't really mind this getting banged up because the leather is already so rustic looking. Really excited now to grow my fountain pen collection now that I have this. So for my 10 slot pen case, I'm going to be moving my rollerball pen collection into this one. I do have a couple of rollerball pens. Alright, so these are all the rollerball pens I have so far. Also have room to grow. Super duper excited to grow my pen collection. So that is my very quick unboxing of my new Galen Leather pen products. Let's just all have a family picture. Let's throw in the 10 slot pen case too, my first Galen Leather baby. Right, yeah, so I guess that's it for this video. This was a very quick one, and I don't think I really shared anything substantial, but I just thought it would be fun to film this unboxing for you guys. Hopefully that did give you some idea of what these Galen Leather products look like, and if you have any questions, do let me know below. I'll try to answer them as best as I can. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. This is Baba Notes, and I will see you next time. Bye!